So you have a 38-year-old gentleman who has a history of 2 years progressive difficulty in walking. So examine the lower limb. Time starts now.
Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Nilanchal. I am been asked to examine your legs. Okay. If at any point of time you find it difficult, you can tell me. I'll stop right there. Can you confirm your name?
Person.
Okay. Okay. Can you please stand for me? Can you stand like your feet together and close your eyes? Okay. Can you walk for me? Okay. Please do. Thank you. Can you lie down? So if exposed,
That much is fine.
can you lift your leg without bending the knee? Like this. No, without bending the knee. Okay. Push it down. Push my hand down. Okay. And then lift again, please. Okay. Lift this. Push it down. Push it down. And flex your knee. Pull it towards you. নিজের দিকে টানো. নিজের দিকে টানো. Push my hand now. Pull it towards you. Push my hand. Pull your feet towards you. Push it. Pull your feet towards you. Push it. Thank you. Pull your finger, this finger towards you. Push it. Same thing. Pull it. Push it. I'm going to tap on your knee, okay? Should I wait over? Okay. Second implement pain for blue implanter. Is this stick? Sure. I'm going to slide this thing below your leg, okay? Can you feel this? Can you feel this? Can you close your eyes? Close your eyes. Chok bond korun. Can you feel this? Which leg? Kon pa? Okay. Which leg? Can you appreciate? Both sides the same? Both sides the same? Can you feel the buzzing, the vibration? Does it stop? Has it stopped? Thank you. Please close your eyes. Can you feel the buzz? Has it stopped?
Stop.
Okay. Can you feel the buzz? Has it stopped?
Stop.
Okay. Can you open your eyes? Can you pull up your leg, touch your heel below the knee and slide it over the shin? Again please. Another time please. Okay. And with the opposite. Again please.
Okay, your time stops.
Thank you.
Please present your case.
I have examined this 38-year-old gentleman who has presented with difficulty in walking. Sir, on examination, I have found that the tone is increased on both the legs, and the jerks they are brisk, but the plantar is absent on both sides. So there is no problems with the touch sensation and the vibration sensation. And so the patient, when I did the rumba press, the patient had some difficulty with standing with eyes closed. He's swinging from side to side. Sir, so my primary diagnosis is this kind of case of myelopathy, either compressive or
So
non-compressive.
do you think that sensitivity will be normal in compressive and non-compressive myelopathy?
No, sir, the sensation will be disrupted, sir.
Okay. So what is in favor of myelopathy? How was the gait?
So the circumduction.
Actually, there is some ataxia. That's why doing round work says no.
Yes, sir.
Those ataxia gait.
Yes, ataxia.
Okay, so if it is ataxia along with the increased tone, so ataxia will relate to where? Because
It's a cerebellum.
cerebellum. So what is your diagnosis?
Um,
2 years, so progressively, not acute onset. So what is your differential diagnosis?
so it could be Friedreich's ataxia or spinocerebellar ataxia.
So confirm Friedreich's ataxia, you have to
In that case, I have weakness and pace covers.
there is not there.
No,
No?
sir.
No, family history you have to find out. Where is ataxia with spasticity? So spinocerebellar ataxia.
Yes, sir.
So what are the differential diagnoses for spinocerebellar ataxia and how to approach the diagnosis?
Sir, other thing is
Confirm
I
the
said,
diagnosis.
so to confirm the diagnosis, I have to do a MRI of the spine and the NCB and the EMG test.
So whenever you've been asked in the exam, you always start in a systematic way. Complete blood count, routine blood test, LFT, then you go for vitamin B12 deficiency, thyroid,
Yes, sir.
then you go for imaging.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.